Can I use Proctorio and ReadSpeaker web reader together? Yes. First, navigate to the link to launch Proctorio and click on it. Next, locate your quiz and click on the link. Start your quiz and go through the normal Proctorio checks. Click on the Web Reader Activation tab, which is located on the left side of your Canvas course. Highlight your question and answer choices, and then click Listen. Web Reader can read all HTML parts of Canvas. Group of answer choices. True. False. Click on your answer choice, True. Group of answer choices. Select True. You selected True. Highlight your question and answer choices, and then click Listen. Which tool works similarly to a sheet of paper with a hole cut in it? Group of answer choices. Show text. Page mask. Text mask. Focus text. Click on your answer choice, Page mask. Group of answer choices. Select Page mask. You selected Page mask. Highlight your last question, and then click Listen. This is a test on. Enter. Type your answer, which is quizzing, in the rectangle. You wrote quizzing. Click Submit, and review your answers.